What were you doing this week, Sebastian?
What? Actually, bacon.
Baking?
Yeah,
What were you baking?
muffins.
Muffins?
Yeah,
What kind of muffins?
chocolate muffins, man.
Chocolate muffins? They're my favorites. Did you, by any chance, bring some for me?
Of course.
You did?
Yeah.
Show me. Show me those chocolate muffins.
Here we go.
Oh, fantastic. Okay, you can do the intro. I'm busy. You should do the intro now.
Oh, I thought I cannot eat my muffin.
No, I eat my muffin. You do the intro.
Okay. Welcome to the Muffin Show.
Yeah, not the Muppet Show.
Today we're doing a cooking class.
No, stay, don't go. It is reviewing your underwater films Thursday coming up. And welcome back to the series of reviewing your underwater films. It's not the cooking show, it's not the Muppet Show, it's not any other show. We are reviewing your underwater films here. And today, thank you, by the way, very much for the lovely muffin.
You're very welcome.
I will enjoy that while we watch the next film. Speaking of the next film, whose film are we watching today, Sebastian?
Today we're gonna watch a film about the sharks on the Bahamas. Made by
Nice.
Ashley Sutherland. And
Very nice.
yeah, I'm really curious to find out what she was filming. So,
Okay, have you got any information about...
unfortunately, I don't.
Okay.
But I mean, sharks, Bahamas, that sounds like a great idea for a Thursday.
It does. It does. A great idea to watch while eating my muffin. Let's do this.
I'm slowly drifting to
Ooh.
stars and planets are calling me. A billion years away from you.
Ah,
I'm on my way. I'm on. I'm on.
nice. Thank you,
Nice,
Ashley,
yeah.
for sending in this submission. That was exciting. I really enjoyed that.
Me too. Like 2.5 captivating minutes.
I want it to
Like,
be right there in the middle,
excellent.
preferably.
Yeah. Yeah, amazing. Let's watch it again.
Let's watch it again, right? But let's talk about it first. What have you written down, Sebastian?
Well, as I said, like captivating. Well, very, very nice shots. Yeah, I mean, like the shot, the framing, the position with the sun. Yeah, just very good work.
hmm
I find the choice of music was very nice, was very fitting to
hmm
the scenery. And I'm not sure if Ashley did any sound design or not.
hmm
If she did, very good. If she didn't, the sound was fitting quite well to the whole story, because I thought sometimes the breathing out was not how you say, like, if I would do the sound design, I would have put it a little bit earlier, a little bit later.
hmm
But it was actually not disturbing in any kind. It was like, I don't know. I think
Did you hear the sound design throughout the entire film?
no, it was not in every scene, I think.
Right? Because that's why I think that it wasn't done purposely, but it was just left as the original audio. Because I only just noticed it like on the last, I don't know, half a dozen shots or something. And before that, I didn't notice any sound design, any
Yeah.
breathing, or it was so, quiet that I just didn't really notice it.
I think at the beginning it was where the I think it's the white tip coming towards the camera,
hmm
and the breathing was just like interrupted when it was approaching. It was like somebody was holding his breath and then he's turning,
Yeah.
and then the you could hear the bubble sound, and I think it was just very fitting. Maybe
Mm,
it was just by coincidence that it was fitting, but I thought it was not disturbing in any way. I
mm,
liked it, yeah.
Yeah.
Like carrying the story, carrying the
hmm
image, yeah.
hmm
Yeah. If you want to go.
Yeah, absolutely. I really enjoyed the drone shots, the two right at the beginning. I thought they were very fitting, and also the one in the middle where you could just see um, the shapes of the sharks under the
Very nice, yeah.
surface, because the water was too choppy. You couldn't really see them clearly, but you could still see the big shapes of the
Yeah.
sharks under the surface. That was really cool. I felt like that was a really nice, nicely executed shot and well integrated into the story, if you can call it a story, because it's not really a story, but it worked for this piece. It really worked because there was some really cool shots, and that helps with not having much of a story to tell, in that sense. I really enjoyed how you were showing the names of the sharks. Personally, I would have tried to keep them a little longer on the screen. I felt like they were gone too quickly, especially like the scientific names. I wasn't able to read them before they had disappeared again. And you were saying about the light rays before. I really enjoyed those light rays. It's like just very fascinating is the wrong word, but it's got a very special mood that it gives to a movie when you see these light rays coming through the water and going around the sharks. And yeah, really nice. I've got only one thing that I would want to pass on to you, and that's color matching. We have talked about color matching a lot in previous episodes, and it is still one of the things that are probably most difficult to achieve. Even if you're filming just with one camera, as soon as you position yourself slightly differently to according to the sun or your light source, it is just gonna look different, and you will have to do a little bit of color matching. And I felt like some of the shots were rather on the greenish sides, or they were rather on the bluish sides, and just trying to match these shots together would probably give the whole thing a more uniform feeling and appearance. And maybe also, guys, if you feel like you would like us to talk a little bit more about how you can achieve that shot matching, let us know down in the comment section below, and I'm more than happy to come up with a tutorial on how to match different shots, and we can also do this between the two of us in different editing softwares. I can definitely show you in Final Cut, and you can definitely do that in DaVinci Resolve, right? And between the two of us, we'll come up with a way how you can do it in Premiere Pro as well, so we can cover the three most important editing software solutions there for you. Let us know if that's something that you're interested in, and then we'll try to get that done rather earlier than later. Do you have anything you want to pass on to Ashley in terms of improvement?
I have only two minor things in addition to what you said. The shot matching was, yeah, I mean, it's like, you got so good footage, like the music is nice, and then this tiny bit, this shot matching would have like put it one up the ladder. Yeah. No, I just got two minor things, which were like personal choice. There was the first drone shot. I wouldn't have used that one as the first one. I liked the second one much better. Like when you saw the water and the boat came in, that one as a first shot, then the first one a second, and then the third one we're going around the boat.
When you see the
Just
divers
like
jumping
personal choice of what you were seeing and how you build up, like, I don't know, build up excitement. Okay, what's happening? And it's like, because with the other one you already give it away what's coming. In the end, I mean, I'm pretty sure you have a lot of footage captured during the time in the Bahamas. There must have been one shot to make the ending. I find the ending was way too abrupt. It was like, with the music and all, it was like done. But yeah, that's just a personal choice, and
yeah, I agree. Yeah, you're right.
Other than that,
I forgot about that. Other than that, well done, Ashley. A very captivating 2.5 minutes that
definitely
we have immensely enjoyed watching. Thanks for allowing us to review it here within this series. As always, we're going to be putting your video as well as your YouTube channel. We'll link them down in the video description below here. So if anyone else wants to go and have a look at Ashley's other footage and other videos that are on the channel there, feel free to go and check them out. Leave a subscription, leave a like, say hello, and also please do the same here. Let us know. We're pretty far into this series now already, so please let us know how you're enjoying this series. Is it still beneficial to you? Are you still getting something out of it, even if it's not your film that we're reviewing? Is there something that you would like us to change about this series? Maybe eat less food while we're reviewing your films, or I don't know. Let us know so we can adjust to your preferences and your needs. Other than that, if you have a film that you want to submit,
was like,
if you have a film, no, we're not going to be watching a film of you, but if you guys have a film that you want to submit, feel free to send us a link to the uploaded film to contact@matthiaslebo.com, and we'll make sure to watch and review that film. It's just going to take us a little while because we have about a 6 to 8 month waiting period still, but there is a way how you can avoid that waiting period, right?
Yes, there is, and I cannot explain it. I only know there is a little button down there. If you click it,
magic happens. There is a way how you can get your films, your submissions prioritized by signing up for the YouTube membership or channel membership here. And that's done, as Sebastian said, by clicking that little button that says become a member just below the video. And then you can choose one of the two plans. If you want to get your video prioritized, please choose the underwater filmmaker plan, which will prioritize your video submission, and we'll watch it right away and review it here on the channel. Thank you very much for your support through the channel membership. We highly appreciate every little bit we can get, which helps us to keep continuing making these videos here on a weekly basis. I think it's your turn now.
That's it.
That's it from me now.
Oh,
Finish it
okay.
off. Close it off.
All right, guys.
Seal the deal.
Thank you for watching. And yeah, I wish you a very nice Friday. Have a happy weekend. And see you next week here on the channel.
Cool.
Yeah, baby.
Yeah, baby. Take care, guys. Have a great week. We'll see you next Thursday. Bye-bye.
Bye.